my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, finally I'm going to be sharing with you guys my dainty jewelry collection almost. I feel like this is more like a guide slash my favorite dainty jewelry that I own. Every video that I post wearing my choker and my jewelry, the top comment, the most frequently asked question is always, where is your necklace or where is your choker from? And I feel like I've answered this so many times, but I feel like new viewers who come in or people who haven't seen my answer to the question as to where my jewelry is keep asking over and over again. So I thought I should sit down and just give you guys a proper breakdown. So personally, I prefer wearing real jewelry because I know it's gonna last me forever. Literally, it's not gonna tarnish, it's not gonna oxidize and become like a weird color, and it has value in it, right? So even if you sell it after a few years, it's still gonna hold a value. But I also do understand people who are in college or even people who are in office don't want to invest in really expensive jewelry. So I've been actually trying and testing out a lot of what is this called, like costume jewelry, and I found some that is really good, that will not tarnish, but at the same time it is at an affordable price, so it's not gonna burn a hole in your pocket. So before I actually start talking to you guys about all the affordable fake jewelry that I own and that I love and use, I'll kind of give you a really quick breakdown of all the real jewelry that I own. So this is the jewelry that I wear almost every single day. So this one is from Swarovski. I'll try to find a link. I've tried to find it quite a few times but never been successful. I'll try once again. So this is the choker that I wear. Then next we have this one, ye single wala, which is from Tanishq. And then these two are joint. They're one necklace, and again both of these are also from Tanishq. So all of this is real jewelry. Now moving on to my rings. So again Tanishq, ye dono alag alag hai. This I wear kind of like a mid ring, even though it's like a regular ring. I like to wear it like that. And then we have another ring right here. Two more on this hand, so there's one here, and then I have one thumb ring right here. So that's all of my real jewelry right here. Okay, now let's move on to the fake jewelry. I think I'm gonna start with earrings. Actually, I don't own any earrings that are real. I tend to wear a lot of fake earrings. I'm not gonna show you all the earrings that I own because we would literally be sitting here for hours if not days, because I have like a full drawer that has only earrings. So today I'm only going to be talking to you guys my favorites and the ones that I feel are important in everyone's wardrobe almost. So let's start with the first one that I'm wearing right now. So these are hoops. I personally prefer hoops only. Like I wear hoops 90% of the time. So I have hoops in all shapes and sizes, and personally I prefer gold jewelry. So everything that I'm suggesting to you guys, you can get in a silver version or a rose gold version if that's your vibe. So I have these small hoops which actually Adya gifted these to me, so I'm gonna have to ask her where they're from and I'll link them down below. But I wear these every single day because they go so well with everything. Like for example, if you're wearing a casual t-shirt also, these will go with them. They're not too much, but at the same time they're dressy enough to like make you look a little bit more presentable almost. So definitely get yourself a small to medium sized hoop. I would recommend getting like a set like this one, which has like a small, medium and a large, so you have everything in one place. I got this from Nykaa Fashion, and they're not your regular, plain essay plain texture wale hoops. These have like a little bit of texture, so it's a little bit more glam as compared to your regular station wale 50 rupees wale hoops. These were also actually quite affordable. So you get 5 pairs of earrings right here. So you could probably wear sabse chote wale for your day to day, and then these big ones when you want to like look really glam. Another set that I would recommend is again from Nykaa Fashion. Now this comes with 6 earrings. So upar wale 3 studs hai aur niche wale hoops hai. Now this I really like because ये center वाले जो है ना, I tend to wear these a lot. Again, they're very similar to these. Then these also have ये pearl वाले. I really like pearl hoops because it's very like sophisticated and it's pretty and it adds a lot of value again to your outfit. So these pearl वाले hoops are a must. And then in the end we have these like in between like pearl and gold वाले. So I think this is a really good set, especially if you have a piercing up here. You can wear the matching one with it and it's going to look very nice. A few other earrings that I really like. These are actually for 75 rupees each, but don't go off of the price. They're actually very good quality, and they have a lot of like texture to it. So again, it's not like a plain hoop. And these I again like for a day to day. These are from the Envy House. It's an Instagram store. I've actually been wearing their jewelry for years now, and not only are they affordable, but their quality is also very good. So I think that's it for my earrings. I'm very basic in general also, but specifically when it comes to my earrings, I like to stick to my basic hoops, but I like to have like a variation, as you saw. So those were all of my western wear earrings, something that I wear for my day to day. But if you want recommendations when it comes to Indian wear, I personally like to get most of my jewelry from the VP store and Oshri Accessories. Both of those are Instagram stores, and I've been wearing jewelry from them again for a really long time, and I really like their silver earrings and also their kundan earrings. Now talking about bracelets, I'm not really into bracelets. I used to wear a watch with like a cuff, but I don't really wear a watch anymore. So this is actually all I've been wearing recently. I'm in love with both of these. They're so dainty and so pretty. So the first one is this fake diamond looking bracelet, and the other one is this evil eye. By the way, both of these are from the Envy House again. What I really like about these bracelets is that you can adjust it literally. जितना छोटा करना है उतना छोटा कर सकते हैं. So I personally have very tiny wrists, as you can see. So I can adjust it and make it super tight, which is something that I've never been able to do with bracelets. So I'm just so happy that I can do that, and I can make it super tight so that it'll stay there, like you know how it doesn't like slip down. Again, these I've been wearing for a while now, and I wash my hands with soap also, and abhi tak bilkul bhi rust nahi hua hai. It's always better to be a little bit more cautious when it comes to your fake jewelry, because you don't want to get it in contact with perfume or even soap. But जो थोड़ा बहुत contact में आया है soap के साथ, अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. So I'm very impressed with these. Again, that's it for my bracelets. Very small collection or favorites of my bracelet. This is all I prefer wearing, and I feel like it's very versatile. Like it goes with everything that I wear. If I'm wearing denims and a casual t-shirt, this will still go with it. Or if I'm wearing like a nice top like today, it's still complementing the look. Starting में मैंने जो मेरी rings दिखाई थी, those are the only rings that I wear. I actually bought so many rings for this video just to try out and use, but I could not find even one ring that did not oxidize, did not tarnish. The quality was really cheap. The rings would fall off my fingers. I have very thin fingers, so again it's very difficult for me to find rings that fit me. So I'm sorry for that. Let's move on to the necklaces. I think this is something that you guys have been waiting for. This is going to be like the juicy part of the video. So let's start with something that I'm actually wearing right now. So this is what I'm talking about. This is like a zodiac necklace. I'm a Virgo, so this has like the Virgo print on it. It's again from the Envy House. This video is not sponsored by any brand, just putting it out there. But this is something that I wear every day. Like even if I'm not wearing my real jewelry, I will still have this on. And what I am so surprised and so shocked, pleasantly surprised actually, is that abhi tak ye tarnish nahi hua. Iske sath main nahane bhi jati hu. I avoid obviously soap is pe touch hona, but I wash my hair, so obviously the shampoo also like touches it, like comes in contact with it, but abhi tak absolutely kuch bhi nahi hua hai, and it's still looking great. I really like this piece because first of all the chain is very thin, so again you can get away with wearing it every single day, and the actual pendant is so classy. It's like a nice round. It's not too big, not too small. I personally really love this piece, and you should definitely check this one out. So next I have this layered necklace. You have to wear everything together only, but I think that's a good thing because layering your necklaces is like such a trend now, so you don't have to put too much dimag. You can just like put this on and it looks nice. I got this from Nykaa Fashion again. This is also very good quality. I feel a little bit betrayed because pehle when I was in college, I would buy all of this which looked very much like this from Colaba Causeway, from Bandra, and then everything would become orangish brown within me wearing it like once or twice. And the jewelry these days is so good, so you can totally just buy this. I feel like even if this lasts you for 6 months to a year, aapka paisa vasool hai. This is so nice and so pretty. Next I have this choker. So this is actually very similar to my Swarovski choker, which is so famous. You guys love that choker, but obviously that is a little bit more expensive. This is probably a fraction of the price, but it's equally equally cute, I would say. By the way, everything that I've showed you so far, you can stack and make like a really nice stack of like necklaces. But if you're not really into that look, you can try this necklace out. This would look pretty even on its own. Of course, it will look very nice like stacked also, but on its own also, it's such a show stealer. Again, it's an evil eye. The chain is very thin. I'm actually a little bit anal when it comes to my chains. My necklace ki chains need to be very, very thin, especially when it comes to dainty jewelry. After this, I think this is my second favorite currently. I actually have one more necklace that I've been wearing. This, I don't know if you could classify as dainty, but it's very trendy. Everyone's been wearing ye Bappi Lahiri chains a lot. I got this from Nykaa Fashion. Clearly, Nykaa Fashion has really good jewelry. So, ये भी मैंने काफी बार पहना है, बिल्कुल भी ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं है. Of course, everything that I've mentioned in today's video is good quality, is tested by me, and yeah, this is also very nice. You can layer it. I personally don't like to layer this. I like to wear this on its own because it's already too much going on. Wearing this only is enough. It's like a proper statement piece. But I think that's it for today's video. I think I've covered everything. Obviously, I've really narrowed it down to my favorites because I cannot explain every single piece of jewelry that I own. I have too much jewelry. I'm jewelry obsessed. But I hope you guys found this video useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'm gonna make sure to link all the Instagram stores that I mentioned, and I'm gonna make sure to leave links also of all the products that I can find on the internet. And let's move on to today's giveaway. So in order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with 3 of your friends, and comment down below. You can literally comment anything. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. Bye!